Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to make a wedding card using Microsoft Publisher. So guys, just you need to open this Microsoft Publisher program, then click on New. Now here type wedding and click on this search icon. So it will show some cards you can change and you can create as you like. So these all cards you can customize, you can change as your need. So guys, it's easy way to create a wedding card using this Microsoft Publisher program. You can change name, just double click. You can change design and font size. All settings are here. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.